Ayan. Hello guys. Ayan, record ako ng song para sa inyo. The title of my song, When You Say Nothing At All by Ronan, Keating. Here we go. It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart. Without saying a word, you can light up the dark. It's wise to me, I can never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. The truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. All day long I can hear people talking out loud. But when you hold me near, you shout at the crowd. It's right they may, they can never refine what's been said between your heart and mine. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. Thank you.